Hello teacher, my name is Pattranit1051. Welcome to my VLOG1 problematic sounds. So let's get started. Practice 1. His wife will drive the van. I have 5 knives and 4 forks. Will you phone before you visit the farm? My family loves to laugh on vacation. Save the 4 wolves who live in the cave. Please forgive me for forgetting the leftover food. Practice 2. Do not cry. The teacher is very boring. Mother, you are a star. Tie the rope around the bar. I am sorry. I borrowed the mirror in the store. My father has a red race car. Write a letter to your brother. How are you? The ring is on the wrong finger. Practice 3. I like to learn languages. Lisa loves Larry a lot. That is a long blog about learning. It is a really good deal. The small ball fell in the coal pool. Call the tall girl. Please leave the whole glass of milk on the table. Look at a really little flag. I will list all of the final details in my letter. Please send the last email to my family. Practice 4. I think it is Thursday. It is his 13th birthday today. You can clean your teeth with a thin toothpick. They should ask their father or their mother. The other clothes are new. There is another feather over there. That thing is bigger than that other thing. Those 3 boys will be 3 this Thursday, October 9th. There is something in that dog mouth. The brother said the weather is warmer in the south than in the north. Practice 6. She showed Charlie her shirt. I wish she would not shout at us in English. The chefs cook fish in Washington. Sure, you can shave his mustache. Be cautious when you swim in the ocean. Measure the best door on the garage. I usually watch television at night. It was my decision to fly to Asia to seek the treasure. The treasure is on the fishing ship in the ocean near Asia. To finish the program, she will measure and use addition and division. Practice 7. Teach the children at the shirt. The spatula is in the kitchen. We eat cheese and chips on the china plate. The gentle giant jumped for joy. I enjoy eating jam and jelly. The gentleman from Germany had procedure in June. In July, I will educate the cheerful child in Chinese and German. Just apologize to the teacher for touching the giraffe. The joyful just ate fudge in the kitchen. Imagine a giant gentle witch with an itch. So thank you for listening. Bye-bye.